Mga clear na salvation verses number 21. So Romans 4:13 to 14. Basahin natin. For the promise that he would be the heir of the world was not to Abraham or to his seed through the law, but through the righteousness of faith. For if those who are of the law are heirs, faith is made void, and the promise made of no effect. So, sinasabi dito na yung promise ni Lord ay hindi sa pagsunod sa law or yung mga anak niya through following the commandments of God, but through faith. Diba? Sabi dito, sa pananampalataya lang natin nakuha yung righteousness. Kaya nga sabi niya dito na kung makukuha mo yung pagiging heir mo through the law or yung pag-follow sa law, faith is made void. Useless yung faith daw. And the promise made of no effect. So walang effect yung promise kasi nga promise, di ba? Sino ba yung gagawa nun kundi yung nag-promise? Which is si Lord Jesus Christ.